Hi guys, welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, of course, or maybe Hong Kong time, Beijing time, we are going to share with you one very potential market instrument that is going to carry a lot of positive price movement for the week. Alright, and this price counter, it could be a stock, it could be an ETF, it could be a forex, or it could be just anything that comes from any exchanges around the world. So Monday morning, regardless what you're doing at 9 a.m. Singapore time, remember to log on and watch us. Continue to share this video, subscribe to us. Alright, share, and hopefully we are all on the highway to happiness and wealth. OTOP is right here waiting for you, and I will be right back. OTOP is back here again, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose, and this is the episode 51 for the week 26 July year 2021. And this week, if you want to know what we're going to share with you, just spend the next 10 minutes with us and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. So we are right here on every Monday morning 9 a.m. Singapore time, sharing with you on one potential market information. Alright, let's, as usual, do a small little check on last Friday what the market was doing. Okay, on last week, there was a bit of whipsaw in the US Dow Jones market, and on Friday closing, Dow Jones actually settled at a historical fresh high again, and at a point of 35,061, and the market was up 238 points. But of course, if we are looking at Dow Jones hitting fresh high, and this week, if you want to know what are the potential stocks, you may think that you can do a rain check into the component stocks of Dow Jones on the 30 counters, find the heaviest weightage components, and from there you could be looking at some good stocks that could be rising, for example, like Microsoft, like Apple, like Google, Facebook, which we have covered over last 1 month. Okay, and these are all the counter prices that are currently rising. But then again, we are not going to talk about US stocks for this coming OTOP 51, and we have something else a little bit more special, alright, which is the Singapore stocks. And if you want to know what is that, stay tuned with us. Okay, let us start off with what we covered on last week, alright, in the OTOP 50 episode. I remember I mentioned about Hong Kong stock 1810 Xiaomi Corp, okay, which is the second largest handphone maker in the world, bypassing Apple. Right, if you look at this, well, last week the market saw a little bit on the price fall. Okay, so this is a small recap here. Okay, although the market is not going up immediately from now, but the strength is still pretty neutral, and there could be a new potential of price ascension in the near future. And from this day chart, alright, as long as you do not see the market prices falling below 25 Hong Kong dollars per unit share, well, we felt that it could be worthwhile holding onto the shares, and on the mid to long term, we might be seeing another potential rise in Hong Kong stock 1810, which is Xiaomi Corp, coming soon. Okay, for this week OTOP 51, we're going to share with you one commodity stocks in Singapore, which I think is worthwhile to take a time and take a look at it for this week, 26 July year 2021. Okay, first of all, let us show you what happened to the palm oil prices. Alright, this is the crude palm oil prices by the symbol of FCPO, trading in Busan, Malaysia. That was last week. Okay, as you can see, palm oil prices has been very bullish and going up for the last 3 weeks. Okay, since 16 June. Alright, this is the day chart. And on Friday, which is 23rd July, market was closing higher and breaking up, okay, on the resistance of 4,200 ringgit. Alright, the denomination is Malaysian ringgit, and market closed at 4271. And this week, most likely, we are going to see palm oil prices continue to go higher. So when palm oil prices go higher, what are we expecting from here? Stay tuned and I'm going to show you right away. Okay, in Singapore there's this counter, alright, by the name of Wilmar. Take a look at this. Okay, Wilmar is one of the top few largest palm oil plantation that is based in Indonesia, and they are very big in the trading and distribution, alright, into China especially. Okay, so Wilmar International is a Singapore list code, and I think you should be looking at it this week. Okay, and that's for the week 26 July year 2021 in this OTOP 51 episode. Okay, on the day chart itself, okay, market closed at a price of $4.54 Singapore dollars, okay, $4.54 on last Friday 23rd July, as you can see on my chart here. So we do feel that once the EMA 4 and 20 days cross up on this week, there is a huge potential for the market to rise up to anywhere onto the top price of $4.80 or even $4.90 in this coming 1 to 2 weeks. Alright, so day chart has shown quite a good momentum building up in the day chart. Alright, for Burma International in Singapore, let us take a look at the 4-hour chart, and yes, alright, the momentum has been squeezing very tightly, and on the 4-hour chart it is moving to the neutral line of 0 benchmark, and very likely we're going to see momentum crossing up into the positive region this week that follows with an upward thrust. Alright, so theoretically speaking on the chart here, and technically, anytime if you see the market crosses above $4.60, 4.60 in Sing dollars, well, we think Wilmar International is worth a try. Okay, and the prices could be moving onto the top side, especially on the basis that crude oil, on the palm oil prices are moving up. Okay, palm oil prices. And where do we see these palm oil prices? Just follow on the Malaysia FCPO prices, alright, which is the crude palm oil futures prices that we showed you earlier. Alright, so Wilmar International will be the counter that we take a favor on this OTOP 51 for the week 26 July year 2021, and we welcome all of you to write some comments, okay, subscribe, and of course like us. We shall be back next week, and stay tuned with us.